Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today I want to share something very personal with you, something that really shocked me. I wasted 6 months learning coding the wrong way, and I want to make sure you don't make the mistake same I did. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let me tell you my story. When I first started learning coding, I was so motivated. I thought coding is my ticket to success. I will watch some YouTube tutorials, copy code, and become a pro in no time. I started learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I even got excited about frameworks like React and backend technologies like Node.js. Everything looked amazing. I felt like I was moving fast, but deep down, I was not learning the right way. I was happy, but I was actually wasting my time. Let me tell you exactly what I did wrong. First, copy pasting everything. I would just watch the tutorial, copy the code line by line, and move on. I didn't stop to understand why the code worked. When I copied, I felt productive, but actually, I was only pretending to learn. Second, jumping from one thing to another. One day I was learning HTML, the next day I started React. After that, Node.js. I was always starting new things, but never finishing anything. I thought learning many tools faster would make me a developer, but it was made me confused and lost. Third, no real projects. I spent hours watching tutorials, but I never built my own projects. Imagine this. I know how to make a button, I know a form or a login page. But if someone asked me to build a small website from scratch, but I wouldn't know where to start. Watching tutorials alone doesn't make you a developer. You have to apply what you learned. 4. Ignoring the basics. I skipped learning the basics properly, like loops, functions, variables, arrays. I avoided them. I thought I will learn them later when I need them. This is a big mistake. After 6 months, when I tried to build my own project, I got stuck everywhere. I didn't know how to structure my code properly, debug errors, solve problems on my own. That's when I realized I was not learning coding, I was just watching videos. It was a harsh truth. Looking back, here's what I should have done from day one. Focus on basic first. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Master these. Don't rush to frameworks. Understand loops, functions, variables, arrays. Once basics are clear, everything else becomes much easier. Build small projects. Even simple projects teach you a lot. Examples: a to-do app, a simple calculator, a small portfolio website. Each project helps you understand concepts better. Code every day. Coding is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger you get. Even 1 hour a day is better than watching 5 hours of tutorials without practicing. Solve problems yourself. Don't copy solutions blindly. When you face an error, pause, try to solve it yourself. Use Google or Stack Overflow after trying on your own. This is where you learn. Be consistent, not fast. It's better to code a little every day than to binge tutorials for hours. Consistency beats speed. Trust me on this. Let me tell you a few real stories from my 6 months. I tried making a login page using a tutorial. It worked in the tutorial, but when I copied it to my project, nothing worked. I had no idea why. I learned React components, but I couldn't connect them properly. I spent hours watching tutorials, but when I tried a small project, it fell apart. It was frustrating. I even thought about quitting coding. After some self reflection, I decided to change my method. I started building small projects from scratch. I focused on understanding each line of code. I practiced daily, even if it was just 1 or 2 hours. I finally realized mistakes are part of learning, and that's okay. Slowly, I started improving, and that's when I saw the difference. I have advice for beginners. If you are starting coding today, here is what I want you to do. Learn the basics first. Build your own projects. Practice daily. Solve errors yourself. Be consistent always. Wasting 6 months was tough, but it taught me something very important. It's better to learn coding the right way slowly than the wrong way fast. If you follow my advice, you can save months of struggle and frustration. Remember, coding is not about how fast you learn, it's about how well you understand and apply what you learn. Start with the basics, practice daily, build projects, and never give up. Trust me, one day you will look back and thank yourself for learning the right way. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Coding with Happiness for honest and simple coding.